turn and grow strong. This everyday action is a powerful way to build real-life independence. Here's a real-life activity your child will love. Twisting bottle caps builds everyday independence and strong coordinated hands. You will need some twist-top bottles or jars in different sizes. Ask your child to hold a bottle in one hand and use their fingers to rotate the cap open, then twist it shut again, all with the same hand. To make it easier, use soft plastic bottles or loosen the cap slightly. Let them steady the bottle on a table for support. For a challenge, use tighter lids or smaller bottles that need precise control. Try a time challenge too. If your child avoids strong pressure, start with soft caps or add a foam grip to make it easier on their hands. This simple twisting motion supports real-life tasks like opening lunch boxes, toothpaste tubes, and school supplies. With every twist and turn, your child builds the strength to do more on their own.